Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can create breakout rooms using Google Meet. So let's say for example, that you have two groups that you would like to organize for the students to go off into two small groups to collaboratively work together. So for this purpose, I have created a little text box on each of the tables here that say table 1 and table 2. You could use any text or image, however you want to organize that. It would work either way because we're going to just attach a link to it. So once you've set that up, we're going to go ahead to Google Meet. So you go to meet.google.com, and you can see here it has to join or start a meeting. So you're going to go ahead and click that. When you click that, it asks you to put in a code or nickname, but we're going to set up a new one, so you can just leave it blank. So hit continue. When that happens, you'll see that it's starting to come up here as a place that you can actually meet with your group. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to grab this link to use it in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this link by right-clicking, copy, and then I'm going to come back, and that's going to be my table 1. So I've highlighted the text, right-click for the link, and then I'm just going to right-click or Control-V and put paste, apply. So now this link would lead me directly to that Google Meet. Now for my other table, I would just create another Google Meet. So I'm just going to hit the back, and I'm just going to start another meeting. Again, leaving it blank, continue. And again, it's going to set up another room. So what I'm going to do again is just highlight that link, copy, go back and grab that table 2 text, and again right click, link, Control-V to paste and apply. So now I have 2 separate rooms set up here for that. Now, instead of having this go to a Google Meet, maybe I want a document that I want my students to come to work collaboratively with. So to do that, I would set up the Google Meet inside this document and then share this link with them. So it says here, join your group in Google Meet. So I'm going to use this Google Meet part to embed my link. So I still have that copied. I'm going to go ahead and right click, link, and now I can do Control-V to paste that Google Meet right in here. So now you can see the link has been embedded there. Then I have further directions that I want them to work together to complete the graphic organizer. If I share this out for them, they'll be able to work together to type into this document. This works with any of the Google Suite. So you can do Google Draws to have anchor charts. You can do Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets. Any of them work that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a share link. So I'm going to come here to share. And then I'm going to make sure, because you can say here it says anyone in this group with this link can view. So we want to change that. So I'm going to click change. And instead of making it be a viewer, I'm going to make them be an editor. This allows the students to actually edit the document. Now that that's been changed, I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to come back in here, and let's say now I want table 1 instead to go to that. So I'm going to highlight that table 1, but I want to remove that link for the Google Meet. And I'm going to just click remove link here with that. And now I can add in a different link. So right click, link, and then Control-V, apply. So now you can see on table 1, it's that collaborate document that they go to, and table 2 is still set up with that Google Meet. So these are 2 different options that you have for doing that. Once you've done that, students can go in, they can go to those meeting areas, and you can go in and check in on them. So you follow that same link to just go in and check on them and give them feedback. Just be aware that students can come in before you and they can leave. They can stay even after you leave. So you want to make sure to kind of manage that a little bit so that there's not additional things happening before or after you set up this meet with them. So that's 2 ways to do it.